Hi guys, so today we are indulging in a timeless classic, a cake that's delicious and beautiful, Black Forest cake. This iconic German dessert is a symphony of flavors and texture. We are talking moist chocolate cake, a sweet and tangy cherry filling, light and airy whipped cream, and a gorgeous shower of dark chocolate shavings. Get ready for a truly amazing treat. Whether it's a birthday, a celebration, or just a craving for something special, this Black Forest cake is a guarantee to impress. I'll guide you through every step from baking the perfect chocolate cake to creating that irresistible cherry filling and assembling this stunning masterpiece. So gather your ingredients, preheat your oven and prepare to create a Black Forest cake that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes. So now let's begin. So first, in a bowl, add 250 ml oil. You can use any cooking oil. Add 450 grams castor sugar, 430 grams yogurt, and then whisk it until it is nice and smooth, until the sugar has nicely dissolved. Then add 120 ml milk and whisk it for a minute. Then it's time to add the dry ingredients. First, keep a sieve and add 250 grams all-purpose flour or maida. Add 120 grams cocoa powder and simply sieve the flour and cocoa powder together. Then add half teaspoon baking soda, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, and then simply fold in the flour using the spatula. Then to smooth the mix, simply whisk it for a minute. As you can see that the cake batter is nice and smooth, make sure it is something like this. This is the perfect consistency for the cake batter. Then simply take the cake mold. I have lined the cake tin with the baking paper and I have brushed it with the cooking oil. Here I have taken 3 cake tins as I am going to make 3 layers. Then simply divide the cake batter equally into the cake tin. Then gently tap it to evenly spread the mix. Then simply bake it at 180 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes until the center of the cake is perfectly cooked. Then to make the cherry syrup, in a hot pan, add 250 grams cherries. I have washed and removed the seeds. Then add 60 grams sugar, 100 ml water, and cook it until the syrup is nice and thick and until the cherries turns nice and soft. Then simply strain it. Then keep the cooked cherries aside to use it later. And simply cool down the cherry syrup to room temperature. Then to make the cherry compote, add 200 grams fresh cherries seedless, add 250 grams cooked cherries, 200 ml water, 60 grams sugar, half tablespoon corn flour, and give it a nice mix. Cook it until the cherries are nice and soft. Make sure the consistency is something like this. As you can see, it's nice and thick. Then leave it aside and cool it down completely. Then check on the cake. To make sure if the cake is cooked, simply use a small knife right in the center of the cake as shown. If the knife comes out nice and clean, then it is cooked. Then simply remove it and allow it to cool down completely. Then to make the chocolate shavings, take 74% cocoa dark chocolate and melt it in a microwave just 30 seconds at a time until the chocolate has nicely melted. Then simply pour the melted chocolate on a steel plate and spread it nicely until thin surface. Then simply leave it in the fridge for 15 minutes. Then to make the whipped cream, add 600 ml double cream, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 3 tablespoon icing sugar and whisk it until it is stiff peak. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave it aside. Then take the chocolate which was kept in the fridge and take a spoon and simply scrape it as shown. So the chocolate shavings are ready. Then to assemble the cake, simply take a cake board and take the first layer of the cake. And simply add some cherry syrup. And pipe some whipped cream on the side. Then add the cherry compote in the middle and pipe some more whipped cream and spread it nicely using palette knife. Then simply add the second layer and do the same. Then after placing the last layer, add the cherry syrup and simply add the whipped cream and cover the entire cake. Then simply smooth the surface using the palette knife. You can dip the palette knife in warm water and clean it for a smooth surface. Then simply sprinkle some chocolate shaving as shown. Make sure to cover the entire cake with chocolate shavings. Then simply decorate the cake according to your preference. And garnish it with some fresh cherries. So the Black Forest cake is ready. And there you have it guys, a classic and delicious Black Forest cake. I hope you enjoyed baking this beauty with me. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.